Veteran diplomat Ambassador Start Kumbabach dies at 72. Sanabena mashoko obuda panguva inoi. Aiwa obuda panguva inokuonekwa kunzi a veteran panguva inoi. Aiwa otsakatika. Aiwa otisiya notbo subscribe like on the bell. But now Zimbabwe is mourning the loss of one of its most distinguished diplomats, Ambassador Start Harold Kumbabach, who has died in the United Kingdom at the age of 72. Acting President Dr. Kosatiro Chiwenga announced the news on Thursday, confirming that Ambassador Kumbabach succumbed to cancer and related complications. In a statement, Acting President Chiwenga paid tribute to the veteran envoy's nearly 5 decades of service to the nation. During his 5 decades of professional service to the government, Ambassador Kumbabach demonstrated a rare and unwavering commitment to duty, said Chiwenga. His patriotism was never in question, and he believed that our differences in race, color, and creed only served to enrich our shared humanity as one family in a unified Zimbabwe. On behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Mnangagwa, and the First Family, the government and the ZANU-PF Party, the entire nation, and on my own behalf, I wish to express my sincere condolences to Mrs. Kumbabach and the entire family. Beyond diplomatics, he also held high-ranking government positions, including Special Advisor to the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade from 2018 to 2021, Secretary of the Corporate Governance Unity in the Office of the President and Cabinet from 2014 to 2018, and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Industry and International Trade from 2000 to 2003. Ambassador Kumbabach is remembered as a dedicated public servant who respected international diplomat who tirelessly championed Zimbabwe's interests on the global stage. Funeral arrangements are expected to be announced in the due course. Do mashoko aripo atati toete kupenengurire mhuri yeZimbabwe tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii muchishare zvakare macondolences message enyu mucomment section. Tudze mafunguro enyu penda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.